building out the lights in the field makes no sense to me at all. That should not be the job of my installation team. My installation team should look at my specification chart, see which products are going in which application and which specific spot, and be able to install the system without having to think of all the creative ideas that they could come up with to make things a little better. That's my job as a designer to do that, not the installation side. So we run an artistic business, but we need to be efficient in how we're doing it. Otherwise, our costs are gonna kill us, our labor costs are gonna kill us, our overtime costs are gonna kill us. And the final thing is we need to have products that can last. Something we can put in the ground that's going to last a long time, that's not going to need the service, because what happens is you can get a year or two down the road and all of a sudden the service calls start coming in, and that'll destroy an entire day of installations by just going out from home to home, changing out lamps, changing out fixtures. So we really want to put things in that are going to last a long time, that are going to perform well, and give us the consistency so that we could duplicate our lighting designs from one home to the next.